Welcome to my kitchen. Today on Jim's Kitsch Kitchen, I'm gonna be making something called peanut noodles. I never heard of such a thing before. It's not at all like pad thai, I'll tell you that. It's called peanut noodles, and it utilizes V8 juice. Do you remember that? Okay, so yes, this recipe comes from this cookbook called Favorite Brand Name Recipes. And here it is, it's peanut noodles. I'm ready to give this a try. I'm gonna start by boiling some spaghetti. Here we go. I'm chopping up a red pepper and some green onion. V8 was created by W.G. Peacock in 1933 in Evanston, Illinois. Originally, it was called Vegemin 8 and later shortened to V8. It's called V8 because it contains 8 vegetables. Do you want to know what they are? I'll tell you. They are tomatoes, carrots, celery, beets, parsley, lettuce, watercress, and spinach. We're going to be using 1 cup of this and putting it in a pot. And those vegetables, 1/3 cup of peanut butter, a little garlic, a little ginger, a little soy sauce, and some paprika. Drain that pasta and add that sauce on top. Ready for serving. And garnish with some nuts. Let's taste these peanut noodles. Kind of does taste like a pad thai a little bit. It works good. I love having these vegetables in there too. Creamy. Well, thank you for joining me in my kitchen. Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. I like making weird things like this all the time, and you can too. Subscribe to my channel to see more. Did you hear the rumor about the peanut butter? I'm not telling you, you might spread it.